Nestor, paano ba makatutulong sa mga motorista itong nasabing bypass road sa San Rafael, Bulacan?
Malaki ang may tutulong nito sa lahat ng mga motorista na bumabiyahe. Lalo na itong papunta doon sa North Luzon Expressway at maging dito sa Cagayan Valley Road papunta naman sa Nueva Ecija, Panorte. Natapos na at maaari ng madaanan ng mga motorista ang segment Phase 3 ng Contract Package 4 ng bypass project ng Department of Public Works and Highways o DPWH sa bayan ng San Rafael, Bulacan. Ang nasabing Artillery Road Project sa San Rafael ay may habang 7.74 kilometer at may contract cost na nagkakahalaga ng 867,952,000. Sakop ng Artillery Bypass Road ng San Rafael ang bagong gawang flyover nito na may habang 318 meters. Ayon kay Department of Public Works Secretary Manuel Bonoan, malaking tulong ang Artillery Road sa San Rafael Bypass para masolusyonan ang traffic congestion.
It will be already a very significant impact in providing more convenient travel going to the east through to Nueva Ecija and Cagayan Valley region for that matter, and also towards the National Capital Region. This bypass is among the many infrastructure projects throughout the country being implemented with the funding assistance of the Japanese government through the Japan International Cooperation Agency.
Samantala, aga ay naman kay Takema Sakamoto, Chief Representative ng Japan International Cooperation Agency o JICA. Isa lamang ito sa kanilang proyekto sa Build Better More program ng pamahalaan. Handaan niya silang makipagtulungan sa bansa para ibahagi ang kaalaman ng Japan sa Pilipinas.
This project is very important for boosting the economic development here, and also it is very essential for the further, stronger ties between two nations. For example, this section. This parallel bypass is directly connected to the Philippines-Japan Friendship Highways we supported in the 1980s, and this is a great, one of the testaments of our strong partnership.
Samantalang nasabing arterial road bypass sa San Rafael ay bahagi lamang ng ginagawang parallel bypass road sa Bulacan na konektado papuntang North Luzon Expressway sa Balagtas, patungong Metro Manila at sa Cagayan Valley Road papuntang Nueva Ecija sa norte. At yan ang latest live mula dito sa Bulacan. Balik sa iyo, Agra.
Maraming salamat, Nestor Torres.